Next up, please welcome our finalist, Niamh Magee. Niamh's from Niche, School of Biomedical Sciences, Faculty of Life and Health Sciences. And there's her title, Diversion Ahead, Finding the Way with Food and Fluid After Ileostomy Surgery. Niamh, the floor is yours.
What even is an ileostomy? Picture your digestive system as a long and winding road. For most of us, the food we eat cruises through the stomach, small intestine and colon, all the way to toilet town. But for 5 million people globally, their colon is so badly diseased or damaged, it must be closed for construction. So a surgeon will step in and build an exit ramp. That exit ramp is called an ileostomy. Instead of finishing the journey the usual way, digested food is rerouted into a bag worn on the outside of the body. This surgical detour can be life-saving, but it comes with some unexpected roadblocks, especially when it comes to nutrition and hydration. Bypassing the colon means things move through the body much faster, and there's less time to absorb water and important nutrients from food. So ileostomists must think very carefully about what they eat and drink. If they don't, the consequences can be serious. Malnutrition, dehydration, hospital readmissions, and in some cases, even more surgery. Now here's the real kicker. There are no standard guidelines, no clear rules on what to eat, what to avoid, or how to stay hydrated with an ileostomy. My name is Niamh Magee, and my PhD is looking at how food and fluid intake changes after ileostomy surgery and how we can support the development of evidence-based advice for this group. We all know how important food is for our health, but let's think about what it means for how we interact with those around us. Special occasions, family dinners, or even just a coffee with a friend. My literature review found that these simple pleasures are a source of anxiety for ileostomates. And many end up following overly restrictive diets for years after their surgery. To get a better idea of why this was happening, I spoke with 50 ileostomates, dietitians and specialist nurses from across the UK and Australia. After analysing all these interview transcripts, one thing came through loud and clear. People are scared to eat. And it's not that they don't want to eat, but the advice is vague, conflicting, or sometimes missing altogether. Health professionals and ileostomates alike called for better guidance, especially when it comes to how to manage hydration. So I then surveyed nearly 400 ileostomates to see what their hydration habits were like. I found that most were drinking plenty, but when you don't have a colon to absorb water, you might as well be filling a bath without a plug. Their efforts backfired, making dehydration symptoms worse. I also found that hydration knowledge was pretty poor. Again, highlighting the need for evidence-based guidance. Every diversion needs proper signposting. My research is bridging the gap between clinical knowledge and patients' needs, mapping the way for guidance that will replace confusion with confidence and ensure that ileostomates can enjoy, once again, a healthier and happier diet. Thank you.
Niamh Magee, everybody.